Hello, everyone. Greetings from Fineness Institute of Clinical Research. Today, we are hosting a webinar on freshers interview preparation tips. I am Dr. Shivangi Singh. And so, we get a lot of questions on how to clear an interview and how to prepare for an interview. So, as a fresher, you may or may not have any work experience to talk about. So, as a fresher, you may or may not have any work experience to talk about and targets achieved to showcase. Hence, academics is something that you have to majorly rely on to an extent to help you clear the interview. So, education on any extra diploma or webinars or certificates that you have attained, that is a plus in your resume. So once you get the call for the interview, the first thing is go through the organization's website and understand their was achievement and their growth, and be aware of the roles and responsibility of the position you're applying. If you're applying for CRC, CTA, CRA, drug safety associate, or clinical data coordinator, etc. So any post you're applying, you have to know what is it about, what is your day-to-day functioning. We have a video, a playlist basically on all the fresher jobs. I'll link it in the end of the video and you can check that out. So when you apply, sometimes they have a job description is there. So please go through it thoroughly and be well versed with the terminologies mentioned in the job description so you have an idea when these questions are asked. Be up to date with the latest changes in regulation guidelines, etc. So sometimes the interviewer may ask you the latest change in the guidelines, and if you know that, it will definitely help you clear the interview. So you have to keep on updating your knowledge. So in that prospect, any student that enrolls with us, any updates in the regulations or guidelines or any extra information we do share with our present and past students on a regular basis. So this is an example of a clinical research coordinator job description. So they are words are used, maybe an IC you may not get, or IC GCP definition you must be knowing, and a CR, what is a CRO? Abbreviations are there, so you need to know what they are talking about and what is expected from you. Same goes with the data coordinator. Job descriptions and certificates and diploma in this field definitely is an added advantage. And basic computer skills are also very handy, and if you have a basic knowledge, it will definitely help you in getting the job. And now, how to get ready for an interview day. So once, how to get ready, for the day of the interview, you have to be on time for the interview, you have to be organized, have a proper folder consisting of a hard copy of your resume, maybe the interview mail, a hard copy, ID, passport, photograph. These are the basic things that you may require. Make sure your resume doesn't have any typographical error. When picking your outfit, it is advisable to go for business casual attire, formal casual attire, business attire in a neutral or basic colors. So if it's not a in-person interview, if it is a virtual interview, find a well-lit spot with the unclustered background and good internet connectivity. Research commonly asks questions and practice your answers. Keep a set of questions ready to ask the interviewer. So if you have any questions after the interview, you can ask the interviewer as well. Don't hesitate. After the interview, don't forget to thank the interviewer and follow up with your application. Commonly asked, there are certain general questions that are irrespective of the post you're applying. So where are you coming from, which city you're residing. You're residing in the same city, and how far is your home from your workplace if you join us in the workplace, your recent education background, and your hobbies or interests. Pick out two meaningful, followed by an award or a recognition that you might have achieved in the area of your interest. A quick mention about why you applied for the position in a line. So now how to communicate, effective interview communication tips. Listen and think before you answer. Take a few seconds to really listen, ponder, and answer in a logical way. Often freshers think the answer to confidence is answering the question immediately. You don't listen to the interviewer's question or take a few seconds to think. You will end up giving the wrong answer if you're in a hurry and an incomplete answer this way. So be concise and clear. Do not blabber with answers. An ideal interviewer answer is between 90 to 30 to 90 seconds. Be concise and clear in your answer. This way, you will hold the interviewer's attention and avoid making any grammatical mistakes. Make eye contact and use appropriate body language. Your confidence shines through your body language in an interview. Avoid shuffling papers, fidgeting with your pen or hair, blinking too much. Make eye contact for 5 seconds when you start any answer and keep your hands visible on the table. Use them to gestures in answers. You can also use examples like generic statements are a no-no. If they're saying I'm creative, you say you're creative and innovative, say it with an example or two. Like, did you manage a class project, start a business, raise funds, fest, volunteer, start a blog? Give examples for your skills. Uh, then the fifth one is be confident but honest. Know what you have written in your CV and cover letter. Stick to those details in your answers. Being confident also means staying true to who you are and what you know. If you start exaggerating or giving phony answers, the interviewer will know and they will only grill you more. Be honest and try to answer the questions as best as you know. So if you don't know, just tell them you don't know the answer and they'll try to find out the answer, and don't blabber anything. Have question prepared for the interview. Like I said, you can ask the interviewer. Often freshers do not know what to ask the interviewer at the end of the interview. This can set you apart. So go prepared with questions. What are the growth opportunity provided for your company? What does a day in the meeting looks like? So this is a short session, and for any diploma course or webinar related query, you can visit our website. That is www.finennessinstitute.com, and email us at admin@finennessinstitute.com to follow us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for listening. Have a good day. Bye bye.